Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I got something special here, guys. This is a 1966 real deal Pontiac real deal GTO convertible. And it is in really top shelf condition, really nice driver, something you'll be proud of driving, gets lots of attention. Will look great at any car show, cruise nights, or even touring, okay? The paint on the car is in superb condition. Now, black is very hard to keep clean. Black shows all the waves in the car. This one is really, really straight. And the paint rating on this car to me is a number somewhere in the 8 out of a 10 area. Why not a 10, people say? Why not a 10? Well, it's not a $40,000, $50,000 paint job, and that's why. But it presents itself very, very well. The shine on the GTO all around is miles deep. It's been wet sanded, buffed out really nice. I think you guys would be very proud of owning something like this. Now, as you can see, the red line tires, BFGs, have been added to the vehicle along with the period correct factory appearing looking wheels on the car. All of the trim, grille, chrome, lenses, lights, glass, weather stripping are in very good condition on the GTO. Dual sport mirrors as well on this particular unit. As you can see, just the body lines look great on the car. I think anybody would be, again, very happy with this. Let me give you a little idea here. Beautiful reflection. Now, I always check door jambs, inner, outer. Look at the weather stripping, all been replaced. Factory pinch welds on the doors. They did a really nice job on the restoration. Outer door jambs look great. Newer door sill plates. Inner jambs look great. As you can see, guys, 242 on the VIN. That indicates that it's a GTO model, okay? Both doors on both sides, inner outer jambs look great. This is a factory bucket seat car, factory console car, which is in great condition with the seat belts there in the front. Dash looks great, no cracks or anything like that. You got your sun visors, nice steering wheel, looks original, factory original for sure. All of the gauges are factory. It's showing 28,052 miles. I'm going to say this car has 128,000, but you never know. Carpet is nice on the car. The center console is nice. They upgraded the radio with a cassette player there with an AUX so you can plug in your phone. And then the triple gauge package on the bottom has been added as well. Really clean interior, front, back. It is a beautiful power top on the car. It is black, and this is the boot on it. I mean, I can get it on a little bit nicer, but that's what we did it. I'm going to cruise this car in the parade. For the Addison Parade for 2025, this Sunday in the month of August, this thing will be in the parade. Okay, let's move to the engine compartment. Okay, let's check that out. So this is a factory 389 V8 engine with the tri-power setup on it, and came in 66. 3 2-barrel carbs, and it's set up really nice and tuned. Upgraded aluminum radiator has been installed. You got factory A-arms in the front, and you got your multi-leafs. I'm sorry, in the back you have the shocks all set up there. front springs as well. Car rides great. Suspension feels really nice and smooth. These are a bit heavier cars, so they're going to ride a lot smoother. Proportion valve set up on the brand new power disc brakes and the newer power steering as well. Hoses have been replaced. Here on the block here is where you're going to see the numbers, the YS number. Right there, it tells you it's a 389 for a 1966. Rear end is an N code, so it's a factory rear end, and N code means it's a 355 gear ratio. Okay, underneath is super clean. So go ahead and please check out the photos on the website, and you can see what I'm talking about. Newer gas tank as well has been installed. Let's check out the trunk area. There you have it, guys. Super solid trunk. You got the mat that's been installed on it. Okay. Here is all the new weather stripping. Here are your factory GM stampings on the quarters. And I don't see any patches there. And that's on both sides. Okay. You got your spare tire as well with the jack assembly right over there. Okay. Yeah, those are my fingerprints. Thing opens really nice and shuts really nice. Both door panels look good. The dash looks excellent on the car. The cluster looks great. Gauges are crisp, they're clean. Here's your power top switch. Okay, you got your upgraded radio with the cassette, your triple gauge package as I mentioned. Seats are in great condition, and the rear seats as well. Just for your radio there. Oh look, Frank Sinatra.
Don't you smile, or I'll be lost beyond recall.
There's your lights showing there, high beam. Let's listen to it from the back. Sounds great. So if you need financing for this Pontiac GTO, you will need good credit, okay? B, you will need $8,000 down, okay? Unless you have a trade-in that's paid off. We do take trades as well. And you can fill out that application at mgmclassiccars.com. And we can definitely, get you approved, hopefully. Depends on your credit profile. But this thing is gorgeous, guys. In 15 years, I've never had one like this with the black and the YS and the 389 and the tri-power and the automatic and the power top, and especially black with red lines. Super cool. So that's that. For those of you who have a credit score over 800, I would say maybe 780 and higher, I have a no money down option as well, up to 100,000 for you guys, and for the ones that need delivery. All of our deliveries we're licensed, insured, and bonded for the purchase price of this vehicle. Okay, so it's all secured. You don't have to worry. I know there's a lot of scammers out there, guys, but please call us, okay? And we can definitely ensure you that we are real, okay? If you need delivery, call or text. My text number is 847-848-1850. Be happy to give you an estimate on delivery. It would have to be enclosed. I know it costs a little bit more, but due to the quality of this car, we're gonna have to ship it enclosed. Again, text me or call me with your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.